Ambazonian struggle, they go through shifter. Now time for shifter, then kende away from the cornflower. Shalom, people of the British Southern Cameroons, citizens of Ambazonia, good morning. Today na number 27 day for the month of June 2019. My name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for now. The disgrace and failed meeting will be supposed to take place for Switzerland between Mr. Paul Biya Mvondo and some rogue leaders of some movements for the Ambazonian struggle has failed woefully. The leader them for the movement, the way the Bwango represent themselves as representing the entire revolution for the independence of Ambazonia, have been largely condemned for their action both by Ground Zero, known voices of the Ambazonian people, and most of the significant activists in the diaspora. However, the Humanitarian Dialogue Institution be still hold some meeting with some representative them. Would still want get conclusive information about the nature of that meeting, the participants of that meeting, to report to you, the Ambazonian people. Our investigation is not yet completed. We will bring to you a full report about the betrayal of those who participated in that charade, and exactly the nature and the condition under which certain leaders of movement went and misrepresented themselves as leader of the Ambazonian people and representative of the revolution of our movement for independence, how they get us to that position. We will come back to you with an exclusive presentation regarding this matter. Please be patient. We are there for you. We will not fail the Ambazonian people with their mantle. We will not take them. For shine eye for them, for be the vanguard and for protect the integrity of their revolution, for their aspiration of an independent state. For other thing again, still for Switzerland, Mr. Paul Biya Hotel and be attacked again by Basque, the Brigadier Anti-Sardinat movement where they support Maurice Kamto. They then enter for Paul Biya Hotel for Intercontinental Hotel for Switzerland. They enter for the shake place.
Assassin! Biya must go! Biya must go! Must go!
Ambazonia them. Now time for Una for Shidong. Buy popcorn, buy Fanta, Shidong begin watch movie. Just like how Francophone, they be the seaweed time will be the jump up and down for support our common law lawyer them without any sympathy or solidarity. We need for watch how they do their thing. If we need for fight with Paul Biya, we go fight with you like Southern Cameroonians them by ourselves, because it be important move show for the international community so we know if Vivo and Sam again. It be very important move demonstrate exclusivity inside our struggle, because the concept of self-determination and the concept of our independence and national sovereignty, we must show exclusivity for our struggle, because we must demonstrate for the entire war, say, an eternal self-determination, we want them. So even when we happy, say, Mr. Paul Biya, they get hit for Francophone them, we know if you go join them together, for sure, so we get a common agenda. No, we need to do our own, me then do their own. Even when that it go together, like water, two water, the way they stream, they go for the same direction. Me the water, they no mix. Otherwise, the international community, they go get a wrong signal, because they always find any small thing for catch them turn story against we. So Meg will not be misled for things say your enemy is enemy, now your friend. Because we need to be assured for tell our people then say this struggle no be about regime change, no be about Mr. Paul Biya, na about the whole La République du Cameroon as a whole, whether na a state or a country or its people. We separate ourselves from the state, from the country, from its people. We cut food with them before we go get our independence. We need to demonstrate for the war so we know if we live together. It be very important. Yes, now time for shifter the cornflower. We need for move Nkende. We need for move Nkende from the flower. We the one condemn with the highest possible terms the arrest and release of Archbishop Cornelius Fontem Ezwa. The Boyo Pythons, one of those groups them where they under the so-called Boyo Council, where it be for diaspora, it be control for diaspora, where they be set up by Samuel Sako, where they don't be notorious for intimidate the local population for Boyo. It be catch Archbishop Cornelius, where it is struggle for pass their roadblock for instant Jinikijum for the great state of Boyo, northern zone for Ambazonia. Time it don't come for Ambazonia they will finally begin shifter Nkende from corn flour. It be very important for the Ambazonia people and the international community for know the people the way they carry on atrocity them, because an action of one group fit sabotage the entire movement for the liberation of Ambazonia. We don't see them with increasing investigation of crimes against humanity and the tagging of our entire struggle to acts of terrorism or atrocity against our own people. The distinction have to be made, because we don't also see for Switzerland has some leader for some movement them they go misrepresent the whole struggle for sell us out. So we need for begin talk who did do it for ground zero. This group, the Boyo Pythons, now one of the group the way Sako began setting up, we and Pastor John Iguang, we there for Canada, they be then select certain people them for diaspora where they be see them like power mongers and people where they not be ready get any concern or love for the common people them, or be attached for this struggle, this revolution in any shape or form, for put them over, me them begin to implement strategy on the ground will be anti-revolutionary for this movement. Now the same group of fighters and where they be use them for stop General Arike, a movement where be disrupt La République du Cameroon their election and for stamp out the authority of La République, both the municipal administration and the SDO's administration. The alarm for the arrest of the Archbishop become for me when I be receive a phone call from the civil department for the British Southern Cameroon resistance forces where they operate for that same area, as well as an SOS call from General Arike for me for intervene with the leaders and for the Boyo Council me they release the Archbishop immediately. Even though the Archbishop Cornelius be recognized as a Catholic priest by the soldiers and where they be reluctant for picking up, the instruction become from above, from the diaspora, me they be arrest the Archbishop Cornelius. Despite the fact say they be know very well say for arrest a whole Archbishop, it will be a bad name for our struggle. It will turn the population against us and it get no value added for our struggle, but they still go ahead for catch the Archbishop. We condemn with the highest term the arrest of the Archbishop, and we want the Ambazonian people to be aware say certain forces on the ground where them be set up by certain movement them within the struggle for Ambazonia, or certain actors are not actually the representative of the revolution for our aspiration. Even the Fontemniba, a group, the SCLC, it don't call this group as surrogate forces of La République du Cameroon. A forces them where they be groomed by Philemon Yang and its territorial administration minister Atanganji Paul, where their main mission now for spoil the image of the self-defense forces the way they fight for liberate our territory. Most of the soldiers the way they fight for this group them, they not actually be aware of the influence of La République du Cameroon over them. But those where them be in control of them, where they for diaspora, primarily people they then come up for those areas where they don't work with CPDM and they work with Cameroon government them for the diaspora, where Samuel Sakobi put them for on that special mission for undermine our struggle and for them to take action the way it go be counter-revolutionary and turn the population against the struggle. We don't see this across the entire Ambazonia, where the influence for diaspora, they force our boy them for they take action the way it instead punish our people them and for cause them for go against our revolution. This group done been notorious for such actions them, and this not come from the soldiers them, but not from their representatives them for the diaspora. When I listen some except them from the Archbishop, me talk a first account with this group.
You people, you must go. I mean, let me go. I must go to Bamenda. I said, no, you cannot go. So I said, fine. No, we are taking you to our camp. No, okay, take me to your camp.
Where was that already?
I was in Jinikijam already. I was already in Jinikijam. And they had taken the key from the driver and drove my car away. So I cannot stay out. And I said, no, you cannot. You have to wait for our general to come. So at the end, they said, oh, take him to the camp. So we went to the camp. They took me to the camp. Nobody passes. Even this morning, they still said the same thing. Nobody passes for the rest of the week. I said, why? We know that Monday is a ghost town. And not the rest of the days. Why do you have to make the people to suffer? There must be some consideration for the people, and I insisted on that. So they took me to their camp, and I was there. I said, look, I want to talk to your general, whoever he is. So I'm here. If you want me to stay here, I will stay. But if I'm staying here, that you are spoiling your case. So I will stay here. After. Then they came, and when they came, they started apologizing to me, Bishop, he's a general, if he were left to us, he should have gone, he should remain. A dialogue with them, just to try to make them start reasoning. And gradually some of them started reasoning with me. So they started telling me, oh, sorry, it is not us, this thing like this, it is a general, but we are here to take care of you. Thank you for taking care of me. I'm here with you.
So what discussion did you have with the general?
Oh, no, then this morning, you said the general is going to come this morning. I talked to the general and said, look, I'm not going to stay here. If I stay here, it is to the detriment of your cause. They said, no, they blocked the road. Nobody can on it tomorrow. The road can be opened. As in the camp, I called all of them together. And I told them, I've been to all the places where the ambassadors are. I've been to Teze. I've been to Bamising. I've been to Yemge. I've been to Esu. And in Jindom, my auxiliary has been to Batibu. And I have met Amba boys who are cooperative, who understand the cause, and who do not want people to suffer. You are making people to suffer. You cannot be fighting for justice, for truth, and you're talking about freedom and the rest, and you prevent people from traveling. I was very clear to them, very clear. And I talked to the general about that on the phone, but I repeated it to them. I said, we cannot achieve anything good with evil. Evil can only cause evil. And God would not hear our prayers if we continue to do things that are not correct. Thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not torture people, thou shalt not make other people to suffer. And do to them what you expect others to do to you. You should. The people whom you pretend to be taken care of or to be fighting for are suffering. There is no medication. In Esu, the hospital is totally closed. The hospital was shot. You can see bullets on the hospital. Everything broken. And it was done by the army. It was done by the army in Esu. You can't recognize it. You can't recognize Yemge. You can't recognize Way. Everything has been destroyed. And I tell them, if you contribute to it, then what good are you doing to the people? So that you are spoiling our cause.
So how did they react to that?
Well, they listened to me, they were quiet about it. Some said, the army is killing us. I said, but I'm talking to you in reference to the population, not in reference to the army. And I think that is a discourse that we have to continue. Thank you.
Indeed, that is a discussion we have to continue as Ambazonia. We know very well that there are Ambazonian forces that are being influenced from the diaspora by agents of La Republique, double agents, like the one that kidnapped the Archbishop and clearly stated by the Fontaine-Nibas group as being forces under the influence, indirect influence of Philemon Yang and Atanga Jipo through their diaspora representative who represent themselves as a local government. Anybody who is doing something illegal is likely working for La République du Cameroon. Our civilians, them being our priority, will not feel the claims or the fight for people them, then they increase their punishment at the same time, in addition for the one way La République du Cameroon they do them. We not feel lock road indefinitely, deny access for the population for 1 week at a row. We don't see the way they block General Areke, they block road for between Bafut up to Womb. It be access for the civilian, they give access to civilian, then temporary access them. We not feel block road for 1 week. When the diaspora they give instructions them, what general they for ground, what forces them, they need for be smart enough for know when the influence for those decisions them be against the population. It be meant for turn the population against them. This fight no be just fight for Amba boys. Now a fight for all Southern Cameroonians them, including the civilians them. When there is legitimate security challenge them, would they understand them? But when people they go the direct was soldier them, me then they pick up important personalities such as an archbishop. Then Muna knows those people they need to work now for Ambazonia them. They pretend they talk Ambazonian talk, carry Ambazonian flag, but their heart they work now for La Republique du Cameroon. We will not use darkness for drive away darkness. We must use light. Even for war, Lord them day for fight war. Our soldiers they must fight the battle of self-defense and the liberation battle, while putting as a priority the safeguard of the humanitarian needs of the local population. We advise the international community and those where they travel around for medical need, hospital, their worker, they they mark their vehicle visibly as hospital motor them with the wonderful hospital. Me them begin mark them. Me pastor them, priest them begin wear their official clothes so that they go be identifiable. And we call on all Ambazonian fighters them for be vigilant for the kind of people they take instruction from diaspora, because some of those people the way they pretend they mean Ambazonia, they use una for do things the way go they bring bad name for our struggle and for destroy our prospect for get international support and recognition for our sovereignty, for us to be able to have our independence. God bless una. May we stay strong, we'll be vigilant, shine our eye. Together as a people, we respect the first day of every week on Monday as Ghost Town for independence, because of the way we will show our the whole world our will. So we want to come up for this Republic du Cameroon. May we stand strong, may we be vigilant, we'll fight for defend our neighborhood while protecting our civilians in the same time. God bless una. May the independence, freedom and democracy in Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia be forever. God bless una. Capo Daniel signing out.